guys, so this first outfit is really comfortable, as you can see, but it's still cute because, you know, I got the red leggings going on. I'm not wearing like just regular black leggings, you know, I wanted to spice it up or whatever, so I'm wearing these red striped leggings. I believe I got these from Topshop, and this jean jacket that I'm wearing, oh, I'm getting it. This jean jacket that I'm wearing has like ties, like this string in the back that makes X's, and I just feel like it complements the jacket so well instead of wearing a regular jean jacket, and I just think that it goes together. So I paired this with my black checkered slides because I just feel like slides can make any outfit cute. So these looks are supposed to be really easy to put together, so I paired the same leggings with this Selena top that still matches. I got this from Forever 21, so this just adds like a cute vibe look to it, you know. I love graphic tees and all that. And for my shoes, I just threw on some checkered sneakers instead of the slides. So for this next outfit, I just feel like you have to throw a dress in like every week at least. So I typically don't like to go for tight dresses because, you know, like I just want to keep it classy, keep it cute or whatever, and I also don't want to get dress coded. So this outfit, I believe this dress is also from Forever 21, but I just feel like this is perfect. It's not too tight. I love denim, so this is so cute, and it is a little short on me because it shrunk in the dryer, but it's perfect. So for these slides, I got these pearl slides from Forever 21, and I know they're not going to be everybody's cup of tea, but I love these and I just think they're so cute. I also wanted to throw in the second pair of sandals because I love these so much, and if you actually have time in the morning to tie them up and lace them, they will go so cute, especially with the denim dress. So this next outfit is another comfy outfit that you can just throw on a tee with. I got the shirt and the pants from Zara, and I didn't want to wear regular jeans, so I got the jeans with the stripe, and I just feel like it's so cute. Like, first of all, I just love the jeans. Let's just get that out the way. So the shoes, I believe I got from Aldo a while ago. I like I just rhymed. I like these because they're platform and they just go with anything because they're nude. And now, last but not least, we are going to pair the same jeans with this top that I got from Charlotte Russe. I really love this. I will pair the top with the tube top underneath. But I just think like the black and white and then the red and white just goes like nicely together. And for the shoes, I paired it with these comfortable slip-on black Vans. So that was it for this quick little video, you guys. I love you guys, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye, loves. Mwah.